mining district which has been terrorized by hostile Indians, a mysterious rider known as the Wolfman, who seems to be the leader of the Indians, is hotly pursued by Alan Scott, who is secretly investigating the murder of others. While Alan is beset by Indians who have come at the Wolfman's call, his young friend Jimmy Carter, orphaned owner of the richest mine in the district, takes up the pursuit of the Wolfman.
That's for you to explain. To the sheriff.
Sheriff? What are you driving at, Scott?
Don't stall, Hayden. I've got you with the goods.
What's this? A frame-up to brand me as the Wolfman?
That's for the sheriff to decide, Hayden. Come on, get up. March.
I'd have sworn LaFarge came to the mine after he escaped from prison. All right, McDonald. You'll change your mind when I recapture the forge. What does this mean?
I believe we've got the Wolfman who's behind the Indian attacks.
So, I was right when I accused you of being the only man in town who profited by the Indians' attacks.
Oh, come, Sheriff. Surely there's some mistake. Hayden is our most respected citizen. Surely you can explain.
I was in the tunnel when suddenly I heard someone behind me. As I turned, a figure that looked to me like a huge bat struck me down and rushed past. The next thing I remember, Scott was standing over me. But you haven't explained how you came to be in the tunnel with that cloak.
That bluff won't work, Hayden. Jimmy Carter can prove that the man that I chased into the tunnel was wearing this cloak. What were you doing in the mine, Mr. Hayden?
Does a man have to give a reason for being in his own mine?
Your own mine? What do you mean? Carter bought that mine from you.
Carter was buying it on installments. The payment is due today. Unless it's paid, the mine reverts back to me.
Is that true, McDonald?
Partly. There is a payment due today, but it's going to be made. We've taken out enough gold to meet it.
Well, where is it?
I've got it hidden away.
I'll go and get it. I reckon we ain't needed here. We'll be drifting along.
It's LaFarge, the outlaw. Here's where we collect that reward.
Let him go. We got other things to take care of before anyone gets here. What happened?
It's that outlaw. He went off that way.
McDonald, what's the matter? He got away, but he dropped this. Sorry, couldn't catch the thief, but this will save the mine for the boy. Hey, Hayden.
Is this supposed to be a joke? This ain't gold. It's lead filings. So the mine comes back to me after all, eh?
Do you mean to say you're going to take everything that boy's got? Isn't it enough that he's lost his father?
Well, I'm sorry, but that's not my business.
I think Mr. Hayden can be made to change his mind. You remember what the mob wanted to do to LaFarge when they thought he was the Wolfman, don't you?
Why, yes.
Yeah. Now, you will give Jimmy time to make his payments, won't you, Mr. Hayden?
I've decided to give the boy an extension of 1 week to meet the payment. It's foolish, though, because you can't work the mine. You used up all your powder against the Indians.
Got a wagon load coming in. It's due today.
I think I'll ride out and meet that wagon.
You must be mad. To come here in broad daylight with a reward on your head?
I had to come. In case they get me, I want you to know that the man behind the Indian attacks is Hayden.
Mr. Hayden? You mean he is the man who stole the mine from you?
Yes, just as he intends to steal the entire district.
Oh, that old boy, lots of good luck to you. Hey, we cheered boys for 10.
What's all the excitement? Well, Sheriff, you don't seem to be able to do anything about this Indian trouble. So we've taken things in our own hands. We've just sent Ken Davis to Fort Arnold to fetch in the cavalry. He'll make the trip in 2 days, and 2 days later, the troops will be here. Well, I guess we did a good job there, boy. Well, I better keep going home. Which way to the Carter mine?
I've been waiting to show you the way to the mine. I'll get my horse.
Okay.
You mustn't go in broad daylight.
I've got to go now. Here, Jack.
You better go with them, Rennie. They might need you.
Orders for you to relay to all our men. From now on, no freight teams must be allowed to enter the district. If the whites won't leave, we'll starve them into it. Scott and the girl are getting too close to the truth. You can leave her to me, but Scott's on his way to the mine with a freight wagon. Stop him.
Wait here, look out ahead.